$69 million. Wow! A picture sells for $69 million. In 2021, a digital image sold for $69 million. The internet lost its mind. Everyone wanted in. Price explodes and everyone wanted in. The headlines call it the future. The market crashed. Price collapsed. People who paid fortune were left holding files nobody wanted. And just like that, the world declared NFTs dead. But here is the thing about the story. It was never really about the picture. Think about everything you've ever owned digitally. Your game character, you purchase music, your social media accounts, your in-app items. Now ask yourself, if the platform shut down tomorrow, what will you actually keep? Nothing, because you never really own anything. You never really own any of it. You never really own any of it. You had access, the platform had ownership. NFTs were built to change that, not as expensive art, but as a complete new way to own something on the internet. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. Strip away the jargons and it means one thing: a unique digital asset recorded permanently on the blockchain. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, where every coin is identical and interchangeable, each NFT is one of a kind. It cannot be copied, it cannot be fake, and the record of who owns it lives on a public blockchain, not on a company server. That record can represent almost anything: digital art, a music track, an event ticket, a university certificate, a membership pass, and in-game items. But the key shift is not what it represents, it is who controls it. With a traditional digital asset, a company controls it. They can remove it, restrict it, delete your account. With an NFT, you control it through your wallet. You can sell it, transfer it, hold it, no permission required from anyone. While the world was arguing about expensive profile pictures, something far more interesting was happening inside gaming. Think about how traditional games works. You spend hundreds of hours building a character, earning rare items, leveling up. You invest real time and sometimes real money, then the game shuts down, the server goes offline, and everything you build simply disappears. You own nothing. In 2021, a game called Axie Infinity changed that conversation. Players, many of them in Philippines, some earning more from the game than from their regular jobs, were breeding, battling, selling digital creatures called Axies. Each one was an NFT. Each one had real market value. For the first time, players were not just spending time in a game, they were building something they actually own. That model is called GameFi, which is gaming combined with decentralized finance. Every item you earn is yours on the blockchain. You can sell it, trade it, carry it across platforms. The time you invest has real potential value. The early version had serious problems. The economy collapsed and many players lost money. But that failure taught developers something important. A game has to be genuinely fun first. The earning comes second. That is the direction GameFi is moving in 2026. Beyond gaming, NFTs are quietly moving into places most people have not noticed yet. Event tickets that cannot be counterfeited because the blockchain confirms the authenticity instantly. University certificate that lives in your wallet permanently and no institutions can revoke or misplace them. Community membership that unlock real access, power of ownership for physical assets. Your degree, your ticket, your professional credentials. One day, all of it could sit in a wallet you control, verifiable, permanently, and impossible to fake. Now, the part most people skip and regret later. NFT prices are driven entirely by demand. What sells for a fortune today can be worthless tomorrow. That is not a maybe. That has already happened to thousands of people. Scam projects are everywhere. Fake collections launch, sell out, and disappear. The creators vanish with the money. It happens constantly, and it is hard to spot until it is too late. The same way a company's stock goes to zero, a game's economy can too. And if your wallet is ever compromised, your NFTs are gone permanently. No customer support, no reversal. The technology is real, the risks are just as real. Here is the idea beneath all of this. NFTs, GameFi, and ownership tokens are not separated trends. They are all pointing to one direction. They are all pointing to same thing, a future where individuals hold genuine ownership of their digital lives, not platforms, not companies, not institutions, but you. Your identity as a verified blockchain asset, your skill and achievement as certificate you own, your gaming history with real lasting value, your community access in your own wallet. That future is not fully here yet, but the foundation is being built right now. The $69 million image was never the story. The story was always this. For the first time in the history of the internet, individuals can own digital things the way they own physical things, without permission, without any platform in the middle. Whether that matters to you depends on one question. What do you actually own online right now? And what happens to it if the platform disappears? If this video helps you understand NFT and how it works, kindly like and subscribe. This content is for educational purposes only and does not include financial, investment, or legal advice. Crypto investment carries significant risk. Always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.